Chapter number 4. Clothes. We require air, water, and food to live. What else do we need? We also need a house to live in and clean clothes to wear. Earlier, man lived thousands of years ago in caves and wore clothes made from the skin of animals. Bark of trees and leaves were also used as clothes. Slowly, over a period of time, man learned to use natural fibers to make clothes. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes because they save us from the sun's heat and from getting suntan. They save us from cold and keep us warm in winter. In the rainy season, we use raincoat made of waterproof material, umbrella and rubber shoes, etc. Clothes also save us from dust. Tiny dust particles settle on our clothes. They save us from insect bites. When we play in a park, we should wear full-sleeved shirts and full pants to protect ourselves from mosquito bites. Mosquito bites can cause malaria, dengue, and yellow fever. Clothes make us look smart.
They give us an identity of our own.
Different types of clothes. The clothes that we wear vary due to a lot of factors. Some of the factors are the climate we live in, the occasion, and the professions we are working in. Clothes according to climate. We dress according to the climate of a place. Summer. We wear mostly cotton clothes in summer because they absorb sweat and keep us cool. We should wear light colored clothes in summer as they do not absorb heat from the sun. Winter. In winter, we wear dark colored clothes made of wool. Woolen clothes trap the body heat and keep us warm. Dark colored clothes absorb the sun's heat and help us to keep warm. Clothes according to occasions. For different occasions, we wear different kinds of clothes. The clothes we wear at home or school are not the same. Similarly, we cannot wear the same clothes for a party and for playing in a park. We wear special clothes on different festivals. How cloth is made? Clothes are made by fibers, thread-like materials. Some clothes are made from natural fibers like wool and silk.
Natural fibers are obtained from natural sources like plants and animals.
Wool is obtained from sheep, yak, camel, etc. Some clothes are made from synthetic fibers like nylon and rayon. Synthetic fibers are made from chemicals. They are stronger than natural fibers. They are also called man-made fibers. The making of clothes from fibers involves many activities. They are as follows. Spinning. The first step in making clothes is spinning. Spinning is the process of making threads from fibers. In olden days, people used to spin on a spinning wheel called the charkha. Nowadays, spinning is done by huge machines. Weaving. The second step in the making of clothes is weaving. Cloth is woven from yarn, thread, on a loom. Cloth can be woven by hand on a hand loom or by a machine called power loom. People who weave clothes are called weavers. Dyeing and printing. The third step in the making of clothes is dyeing. The cloths are dipped in water containing a color or dye and then dried. People who dye the cloths are called dyers. Blocks are used to print designs on the cloths. The people who design the cloths are called designers. Finishing and stitching. Before the cloth is stitched, it is made smooth and shiny. This process is called finishing. This is the last step in the making of clothes. After finishing, clothes are stitched to wear. Caring of clothes. Caring of clothes means to keep them good for a long time. We can care for clothes in the following ways. We should always use a good quality soap and detergent. Clothes should be washed, dried, and ironed properly. We should wash woolen clothes with liquid detergents and mild soap, which are made specially for woolen clothes. Silk and woolen clothes should be wrapped in a cotton cloth and stored with dried neem leaves and naphthalene balls to protect them from insects. Things to remember. We wear light cotton clothes in summer. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, dust, and insects. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Clothes are made from natural and synthetic fibers. We use raincoat, umbrella, and rubber shoes in rain. Cotton, wool, and silk are natural fibers. We get cotton from cotton plants. We get silk from the cocoon of the silkworm. The process of making clothes involves spinning, weaving, dyeing, printing, finishing, and stitching. Nylon and polyester are made from synthetic fibers.